Hey guys, it's James from gigapress.net. Today we're going to be learning how to add footnotes in WordPress. Footnotes are those small numbers you sometimes see next to text, leading to additional information or sources at the bottom of the page. But why use footnotes? First of all, you can build trust. Footnotes let readers know that your content is backed by reliable sources, not just opinions. It can also enhance your credibility. Footnotes add a layer of professionalism by showing sources for data and research. It can also guide readers to more in-depth resources, such as books, articles, or studies, on topics they might want to explore further. Before we dive into the three methods on how to add footnotes in WordPress, a quick word from our sponsor, Breakdance. Today's video is brought to you by Breakdance, the modern visual website builder for WordPress. It's easy for beginners to learn and powerful enough for the most advanced professionals. Breakdance is loaded with features, including a premium pre-made template library, a robust form builder, AI content writing capabilities, a versatile pop-up builder, and seamless WooCommerce integration. Whether you're just starting your WordPress journey or you're a seasoned pro looking for a better builder for your agency, now is the perfect time to build better websites with Breakdance. Try it today and experience the Breakdance difference. So here's the three methods on how to add footnotes in WordPress. First, by using a Footnotes plugin. If you're new to WordPress or prefer an easy setup without using code, I recommend using the Modern Footnotes plugin. This plugin allows you to quickly add footnotes to your posts without interrupting your workflow, and it's fully optimized for desktops and mobile devices. To get started, open your WordPress dashboard. Then, navigate to the plugins and select Add New Plugins. Go to the search box and type Modern Footnotes. Click on the Install Now button, then Activate. Then, go to the post or page where you want to add a footnote. Insert a paragraph block and type out the information you want visitors to see. Right after this, include your footnote information and highlight it. Then, click the downward arrow in the paragraph settings. In the list of options, click on Add a Footnote. Once done, click Save. Finally, preview the post to see if the footnote functions correctly. You should only be able to see footnote information after you click on the number. On desktop, Footnotes shows a small tooltip when readers click on the number, providing extra information without disrupting reading. On mobile, footnotes expand below the text, making them easy to read on smaller screens. By using modern footnotes, you can add depth and credibility to your content while ensuring a smooth, user-friendly experience across all devices. If you want to add footnotes without using a plugin, you can manually create them with the second method, by adding an HTML anchor. To do this, open the post or page, then go to the text where you want to place a footnote. Then, type a number next to it and highlight it. Click the downward arrow in the toolbar and select Superscript. This will make the number small and raised, like a traditional footnote marker. Next, scroll to the bottom of your post, enter your footnote information. Under the Advanced section, find the HTML anchor field and enter a unique label, like FN1. Then, highlight the superscript number at the top, click the link icon, and enter hashtag followed by your anchor label, in this case, hashtag FN1. Press Enter to create the link. When you publish your post, readers can click the superscript number to jump directly to the footnote at the bottom of the page. Finally, you can add footnotes in WordPress by creating Markdown in a writing app. If you're already using a writing app like Scrivener, you can create footnotes in your draft and then upload them to WordPress. This is a good option if you're comfortable working with HTML, though it's a bit more complex than using a plugin or superscript. To get started, download and install Scrivener. Open your browser, type Scrivener, and look for this link. In the home page, click on Download Free Trial, then click on the Download button. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete the setup process. To add a footnote, highlight the relevant text and go to the Comments and Footnotes section on the right. Click the CF button and type your footnote in the text box that appears. When your draft is complete, go to File at the top left, then select Compile. In the Compile window, select Multi-Markdown webpage.html as the file format. Choose your document and click Compile to download it as a .html file. In WordPress, add an HTML block to your post. Copy and paste the HTML code from your downloaded file into this block. After this, You can preview the post to ensure the footnotes are working correctly. You should be able to see them at the bottom of the page. This method lets you manage footnotes in a familiar writing app and easily transfer them to WordPress. And that's it! Adding footnotes to your content is a simple way to provide extra details about specific resources, helping readers access original sources to boost your content's credibility and contribute to the success of your blog. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.